Welcome to Carleton University, where getting around campus is more than just walking. It's an adventure. So now let's explore the beautiful pathways that connect everything together.
This here is the river. It's one of the most relaxing walks here on campus. It follows the river pathway, and it's a good walk to have when you've had a very long day. Here is the bridge, which is newly open, and it connects you to Winston Macy Park, and it's beautiful down there. Trust me, I've been there. Fun fact, the Rideau River is a key part of Ottawa's history, connecting the Ottawa River to the Rideau Canal. It's also home to a variety of wildlife, so keep an eye out for the ducks and geese. Bonus points if you spot a friendly one along the way.
Now, if you're heading to the library to cram for that exam, this path is your lifeline. This path leads straight to the McCodrum Library, one of the key academic hubs on campus. It's not just a place to study, the library has over 1.4 million books and digital resources at your fingertips. Pro tip, walk fast and look like you're ready to study. You'll totally nail the part.
This is where you'll find everyone hanging around in their spare time after classes. The quad paths are a perfect place for meeting friends or enjoying some sunshine. Sometimes you might find people throwing around the occasional frisbee. Just be careful and duck. And did you know that Carleton's campus was designed to be accessible to everyone with wide pathways and ramps to make sure that students can navigate easily? And if you're up for a bit of adventure, the path along Rideau Canal is amazing for walks or even just a run. And in winter, this here turns into the world's largest skating rink. I know, right? Crazy. Whether you're skating in winter or just biking during the summer, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is right next to campus. How cool is that? Alright, here's an insider tip. Come closer. The unofficial shortcuts. Now, everyone's got their own favorite route to shave off a few seconds when they're trying to get to classes, whether it's cutting through grass or sneaking between buildings. Just remember though, not all shortcuts are faster or drier. Just saying. Whether you're heading to class, taking a visit to the river, or going on just a stroll, Carleton's pathways lead to more than just buildings. They take you on an adventure. See you on the path later.